Hi, this is Elizabeth with Southern Embellishment. Thanks for stopping by. And here's another video of some of the things I'm taking to our Ladies Conference 2018 in Ocala, Florida. I have a booth set up there this year, and it's just the highlight of our year. We love going there. And so I have done a couple videos on these before. These just have different covers on them. But I just want to say, if you're looking for something for a craft fair or thank you gifts, or you know, just a nice smaller seller on the low end of the spectrum price wise, these would be a good item to do. I've sold a lot of them. I've given away a lot of them, from young girls to ladies. They just all have really enjoyed them, and so it's been a good thing for me. And it's just, you just take a, you know, it's like the 12 by 12 cut in half, the 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper cut in half. So it's not a lot of cutting, it's just cutting everything in half. So it makes it really nice and easy to do. So I kept the inside simple. That's how I've always made them. Each of them have the three stapled pieces of twine throughout the book, and each of them have three paper tabs. This one, I guess, has two bigger tabs, and they have a bookmark in the back, a coordinating bookmark in the back, with the Tim Holtz clip, and that's it. But they are great to tuck in your purse. They're great to make you know, take notes or make lists or whatever. They're just a great book. My granddaughter was telling me again the other day, I had given these away to the ladies that went to the conference last year. It's a 3-day event, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We're leaving Thursday to go this week. And so anyway, my granddaughter, she says, I love mine. I still have mine from last year. I use it constantly, and she said, I want to get another one. So they're a great little thing. So I'll just go through and show you the covers, because the insides are, you know, the same, like I said. So just some cover ideas, some sari silk. And then this had a little girl, and I want to give a shout out to my daughter Cora, and to a very dear friend of mine. We've been friends for 27, 28 years. Well, longer than that actually, but we've been friends for a long time. Our girls grew up together, and she came over and spent a couple days with us last week and helped cut and stamp and sew, and we just had a great time. And she had this little idea of putting this little lace ruffle on the little girl, and it's just really cute. So I want to give a shout out to them for coming and helping me get product finished for the conference, and I don't take that for granted. And it's a lot of fun. So if you have people in your area that do crafts and do journals, just get together and have play dates. It is so much fun, and it makes it go by so quickly. This is a piece of canvas. I've been working with wax canvas, and I'm going to do a video. The next video I do will be what I'm doing with Bibles with canvas. And then I have a traveler's notebook project I'm working on with the canvas. So I love it. I've fallen in love with the wax canvas. I've said that in a couple previous videos. And then these have the little canvas tabs from scraps that we had from the Bibles that I did. And we put that on there. A couple of these, I've had these in before in my little girl again. And I apologize because I don't remember the paper pads these were from. And then this is the wallflower pad from Tim Holtz. Another one of the little girls. Some more Tim Holtz, and one of these, which I thought was so sweet. So that's those. And again, I wanted to have, as I said in the Shabby Scrappy video, I wanted to have something price-wise that each, you know, if somebody wanted something from our booth, we wanted them to be able to afford it. So we went from low end to higher end. So hopefully everybody that desires, you know, a journal, they'll be able to afford something. So I kept it, you know, I did a spectrum of pricing. So these are kind of like these, except we used the doilies and the lace, and we rounded the corners, and but we used just various papers. Again, kept them simple so I could keep the price down. And they are hand stitched with a pamphlet stitch. This is Marion Smith's downloads. And I don't know who is like me, but I have seen it on other videos before and Facebook postings. But you start cleaning out your, digging through your stash, looking for something, and you start cleaning your studio, and you come across these projects that like, oh, I forgot about that. I didn't finish that, whatever. Well, I had all of these downloads ready to go with the covers and the pages inside, and just had never finished them. And I was like, this is a great time to finish them. So we added the doilies, the lace, sewed them together. And so this is what we have. And I just love this download kit from Marian Smith a long time ago. I got this when I first got into journal making. And I fell in love with this. And I've used it several times in my journals. And I never get tired of it. It's a sweet little size. It's like 4x6, and it's just a sweet size and beautiful, beautiful. Anything, with roses, I'm in. I love roses. That one there, little butterfly. Hope I'm not going too fast, making your motions sick. I just didn't want to take too much time. I tend to run my mouth too much, and then the videos get too long. So simple little books, but again, wanted to have something small on the smaller scale that ladies could use. But now last year I gave these to our ladies that went and as gifts, and they used them to take notes during the conference sessions, and that was really nice. So that way you've got all the conference in one little journal, and you can put it away and have it forever. All right, so that's those. I appreciate you stopping by, taking a look. Make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. We are going to be having a giveaway. I am going to have a big birthday this year. I will be the big 60. It sounds impossible, but that's coming up May 13th, which is also this year Mother's Day, which happens every 7 years. And so I will be doing a giveaway for my birthday to all my wonderful subscribers. I appreciate you subscribing to our channel and stopping by and visiting. So look for that giveaway. Okay, it's going to be a good one. It's going to be good. You'll like it. Have a great day. Go and make something beautiful. Bye-bye.